Welcome back to our gardening and farming channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Dixie Lace pitcher plant Sarracenia, a carnivorous marvel that has captured the hearts of plant enthusiasts worldwide. Join us as we uncover the intriguing history, explore its captivating features, and learn how to care for this unique species. The Dixie Lace pitcher plant is a native of the southeastern United States, predominantly found in the states of Alabama, Georgia, and Florida. It's also commonly referred to as the lace pitcher plant due to the intricate lacy patterns adorning its delicate pitchers. Behold the splendor of the Dixie Lace pitcher plant. With its elegant trumpet-shaped pitchers ranging in colors from deep green to reddish purple, this carnivorous beauty stands out among other plants. The unique pitcher design is specifically adapted to attract, trap, and digest insects, providing vital nutrients for the plant's growth in nutrient-poor environments. Creating a suitable habitat for the Dixie Lace pitcher plant is crucial to its well-being. These captivating carnivores thrive in sunny locations, preferring bright, indirect light. As for soil, they prefer a mix of sphagnum moss and sand to create an acidic, nutrient-deficient environment that mimics their natural habitat. While Dixie Lace pitcher plants can stand alone as striking focal points, they can also be paired with other carnivorous plants like Venus flytraps and sundews to create a captivating carnivorous garden. This unique combination not only offers a stunning display, but also acts as a natural pest control system. The primary purpose of the Dixie Lace pitcher plant is its role as a carnivorous predator. Its pitchers are equipped to lure and capture insects, aiding the plant's survival in nutrient-deficient soils. While not edible or used for medicinal purposes, these plants play an essential role in the ecosystem, maintaining the balance of insect populations. And there you have it, a mesmerizing exploration of the history, description, growing conditions, companion planting, and uses of the Dixie Lace pitcher plant Sarracenia. Don't miss the opportunity to add this captivating carnivorous species to your gardening collection. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more enthralling episodes on gardening and farming. Happy gardening!